Most dogs require daily maintenance to keep their hair silky smooth and tangle-free. You know how annoying a tangle can be to remove, not just for you, but also for your dog. Number 1. Most popular. Burt's Bees for Dogs Natural Detangling. The Burt's Bees bundle comes with a detangling spray that works really well for reducing tangles in your dog's coat. The spray has a refreshing lemon scent and includes lemon oil to prevent buildup and linseed oil to coat and protect the fur. The formula is pH balanced for all dogs and puppies and is free of sulfates, harsh chemicals, and colorants. When grooming your dog, spray this detangler on the area to comb out. It will make it easier to get the brush through the hair and reduce your dog's stress of being groomed. Number 2. TropiClean Sweet Pea Tangle Remover. TropiClean is made from 97.5% natural ingredients that works to remove tangles and reduce brushing time. It is affordable and ready to use, and will reduce static and frizz while leaving the coat shiny and smooth. It's best to use the detangler after bathing your dog. Simply massage it into the coat and then brush to remove tangles. There is no need to rinse when done. The scent is a light and refreshing sweet pea that is not overpowering and keeps your dog smelling lovely for days. It is made in the USA and it's safe to use on dogs and cats older than 12 weeks. Number 3. Cowboy Magic Detangler and Shine. For a deep conditioning detangler, we found that the Cowboy Magic does a great job at restoring moisture while helping detangle mats within the coat. It leaves a silky shine and repels future dust, dirt, and sand from the hair. Unfortunately, it does have a strong floral scent that can be overpowering to some. On the positive side, this detangler can be used for humans as well as other animals, such as cats and horses. You don't have to use a large amount of the product to get results, which is an advantage because it comes in a small bottle that makes it a little pricier. Number 4. Vet's Best Moisture Mist Dog Dry Skin. This detangler is made with natural ingredients such as sage, aloe, and cucumber, and it has been formulated by vegetarians. We like that it works well to detangle hair and help soothe dry, itchy skin. If you have a dog with irritated skin as well as tangles, then this formula will do well for them. The fragrance is nice and there is no oily residue left in the hair. It doesn't do as well as repelling dirt and grime and feels tracky on the fur until it dries. But once completely dry, it adds a new luster even to brittle coats. Number 5. Pet Head Full Ball Detangling Spray. The Pet Head is made from sunflower seed oil, wheat protein, fatty acids, and vitamin E and is formulated to detangle knots and mats in your dog's fur. However, we found that it doesn't do as well on curly hair. This detangling spray has a nice scent and is pH balanced and eco-friendly, so it is safe if your dog happens to lick or swallow any of the product. It leaves the coat shiny and soft, but the design of the bottle makes it difficult to get a good grip while spraying. The sprayer is also temperamental and does not work effectively all the time.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.